When creating Web Intelligence documents for use with SAP Business Objects Mobile for iPad, we need to take some additional steps to enable the display of blank, standalone cells or cells with images. In this example, we'll format a blank cell for display in SAP Business Objects Mobile, and then configure an image for display in the cell. Note that this is relevant only for documents enabled for mobile access using the default card layout model. For documents enabled using the page layout model, assigned to the Mobile Designed category, blank cells and images do not need to be specially configured to display in SAP Business Objects Mobile. Let's start by inserting a blank cell in the report. For a blank cell to display in SAP Business Objects Mobile, it must be attached to another report block. To attach a cell to a block, we need to know the block name. Let's take a look at the formatting properties for the table. The block name appears on the General tab in the Name text box. By default, the first block in a document is named Block 1. Next, we'll apply the hyperlink URL formula to the blank cell in order to configure it for display. In the formula, block name refers to the name of the report block to which we want to attach the blank cell. Align var designates the vertical position of the cell relative to the report block, top or bottom, and align var 1 designates the horizontal position of the cell, left, center, or right. The horizontal position only affects the appearance of the report if more than one blank cell is attached to the same report block. Otherwise, the blank cell is the full width of the report block to which it is attached. Note that the location of the blank cell within the Web Intelligence document does not affect where it appears in SAP Business Objects Mobile. The formula determines where the cell displays. Now we can format the blank cell to be read as a hyperlink. Next, we'll save the report so it's accessible from SAP Business Objects Mobile. Note that the report has already been configured for mobile access. In SAP Business Objects Mobile, the blank cell appears directly above the table with the Sales by Location text aligned to the left. Let's return to Web Intelligence and format a logo image to appear in the blank cell. SAP Business Objects Mobile doesn't support images from URLs, so we need to select an image from a file. Standard table cells can display images with a maximum height of 28 pixels. Taller images are automatically truncated. Blank cells can display taller images because the cell height is not restricted in SAP Business Objects Mobile. We need to select the normal display mode for images to display in SAP Business Objects Mobile. We can also optionally position the image within the cell. Now we'll enlarge the cell vertically to make room for the full image to display. Note that the cell width in Web Intelligence does not affect how the image displays in SAP Business Objects Mobile. When a single blank cell is attached to a block, the cell inherits the block width. Finally, we'll save the report. The image is centered above the table in SAP Business Objects Mobile. Visit www.sap.com/learnbi for more tutorials on Web Intelligence and other SAP Business Intelligence products.